This is the HP OmniBook X, powered by one of Intel's new Panther Lake processors. The laptop used in this video has the Intel Core Ultra X7-358H processor with the integrated Intel Arc B390 GPU. First, we want to thank you for joining us today. As a reminder, you can register for free on the TechInsights Platform to follow along with this teardown and access additional free content, including other videos, insights, and reports from TechInsights experts and market analysts. The HP OmniBook X is powered by a 4-cell 2S2P 15.4 volt battery pack. The battery part number is HH04XL and is used in other OmniBook X laptops, notably the 2025 HP OmniBook X14, which had the Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite processor. The OmniBook X in this video has 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5X DRAM. Since the DRAM ICs are soldered directly to the OmniBook X's main board, capacity must be specified at the time of purchase, as there is not a possibility for the user to upgrade the DRAM capacity later. TechInsights is the leading source in teardowns of consumer and automotive electronics. We follow a systematic and comprehensive approach for all of our teardown analysis to uncover valuable information about each device's design, function, and performance. While registration to the TechInsights platform is free and offers access to additional free content from our experts, subscribers also have access to deeper insights to thousands of electronic devices and components, as well as up-to-date views of upcoming teardowns on our roadmaps.